This is a 15th question from Linear Digital SAT Test 1 Module 2, number 15, reads that those employed in the agricultural sector declined in both France and the U.S., and in the service sector it has risen, but the transition happened at very different rates, and it's asking for the years where that difference can be seen. And 1900 to 1950, agriculture in France, you could tell, changed by 11 percentage points, and in the U.S., it changed by 27 percentage points. And that difference is 16 percentage points. In services in France, it went from 28 to 35, that's 7 percentage points. In the U.S., it went from 31 to 53, that's 22 percentage points. A difference of 15 percentage points for a total difference of 31 percentage points was this higher if you crunch the numbers for any other 2 years mentioned in the answer choices. A is your answer. See the following video. Check us out on YouTube, Ivy Masters Learning Center. Have a great day.